Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, guys, and in this video I will show you how to find archive workflows in n8n. First, open your n8n dashboard and go to the Overview tab on the left sidebar. From there, click on Workflows. Now, to see archive workflows, you need to have at least 2 or more workflows in your account. Note that if you have only archived your one and only workflow, this option may not appear. So make sure you have more than one workflow. Now, look to the top right and click on the filter icon. In the drop down, select Show Archive Workflows, and once enabled, you'll now see a list of all your archive workflows. If you like to permanently delete any of them, just click on the 3 dots next to the workflow and choose Delete. And that's it, guys. You have now learned how to view and manage your archive workflows in n8n. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching Guide with Samuel.